In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in the product library in HubSpot. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the reporting icon. This is where HubSpot groups a lot of your analytics and performance tools. Hover your mouse over that reporting icon, and from the menu that appears, click on Goals. This will open the Goals area where you can set up and manage what you want your team to work toward. In the top right corner, click on Create Goal. HubSpot will give you a choice. You can create a goal from a template, or you can build one from scratch. To keep things simple and structured, we'll use a template. Inside the goal template screen, look at the left-hand panel and click on Sales. This filters the available templates so you only see the ones related to sales performance. Take a moment to browse through what's available. You'll see things like revenue, forecastable revenue, notes created, network conversions, and more. For this walkthrough, we'll use the revenue template since that's one of the most common sales goals. On the revenue card, click Set Goal and wait a moment while the goal editor loads. In the editor, start by giving your goal a clear, descriptive name so that anyone on your team can understand what it's for at a glance. Next, choose whether this goal should be used in the forecasting tool. Enabling this will let HubSpot pull the goal into your sales forecasts. Then decide who will contribute to this goal. You can set it as user-only goals or as team and user goals. After you choose the type, select the specific user or team that this goal applies to. Now set the cadence, which is how often the goal is tracked, such as monthly. If your company uses a fiscal year in HubSpot, you can check the option to align this goal with your fiscal year settings. When everything looks good, click Next at the bottom right. Now it's time to set your targets. First, choose the sales pipeline this goal should apply to. Then, select your unit of measurement, usually a currency amount for revenue goals. If you want the same target for every month, click Apply Target, type in the amount, and then click Apply. HubSpot will automatically fill that value into each month for the year. If your goals vary by month, you can manually enter a different target for each column instead. When you finish setting all the targets, click Next at the bottom right. The last step is to configure notifications. You'll see several options you can turn on by checking the boxes beside them. You can send a notification when the goal kicks off, when it becomes exceeded, when it's achieved, and when it's missed. These notifications help keep your team informed and accountable without you having to constantly check the dashboard. Once you've chosen the notifications you want, click Done in the bottom right corner. And that's it. You've now created a goal in HubSpot using one of the sales templates, set up your targets, and activated notifications so your team stays aligned and up to date.